This morning marks the start of day 1 of hopefully 3 of the climb into Big Bear Lake. Yay! Made it to section C of the Pacific Crest Trail. Done 132.9 miles. Yoo-hoo!
Yeah.
I think today is going to be maybe our first day feeling like the real heat of the desert.
We've flipped. It used to be Shan hated the uphills but loved the downhills, and I loved the uphills but hated the downhills, and now we've flipped. Now I can't do the uphills, but the downhills I'm fine with.
It's the heat.
Actually, Shan's good with both.
I'm feeling good today.
Yeah, I'm feeling okay, but it's hot and I'm like running out of breath, but I'll keep up. I'll try.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
So silly me took us on a 15-minute detour today on the Canyon View Loop Trail. I saw this, PCT North, then read this sign and went, oh yeah, that away. Far out.
All the earth and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth and they sing with the mountains.
Your bones are the earth and they sing.
Only 2,444.9 miles to go.
Bones are the earth and they sing with the mountains.
And now, doing a little bit of rehab.
Shoes off.
Rolling out our calves and massaging our arches.
On some rocks.
Oh, life is good. We're under this cute little tree.
It's warm, but we've got some shade. Might just
Whoa!
get right into
Settle
relaxing.
down, cowboy.
Oh yeah. This spot could be a total vortex. We could be here for an hour. It's so nice.
I'm okay with that. So we crossed the river. We got dry in like 10 minutes in the heat. And now look, there's clouds everywhere. So what we've done is we've come through this little valley here, worked our way down. You can see the trail. All the way through. And we start climbing and climbing. We go way up into there. And we've been doing a couple switchbacks and now we're up here. Davey, you're looking puffed.
Yeah. Just a touch.
So we just climbed 1,000 feet over this mountain range behind us from the last water crossing, and now we've got a second one for today. Woohoo! Let's have a look. Back down again to another little river. Let's see if he gets his feet wet. Dry feet! Legend! So I'm very upset. I was washing my underwear today and I had it hanging out on the back of my backpack to dry. And I think it got caught somewhere on a tree or something. So now I'm down to one pair of underwear, the one that I'm currently wearing. Hey guys, it is 6:30 and we're setting up camp nice and early today. We've already done 22.6 miles, which is all right, I think. I think that's a solid effort.
Yeah, it's a good effort.
We've just been following Mission Creek for miles and miles and miles, and we're still wet. We figure the sun's still up, might as well hang out the socks and the shoes,
gators.
let them dry before we head off tomorrow. Yeah.
Nice. Not that we're not going to get immediately wet, but...
Yeah, there's like another river crossing like 100 meters up, I'm pretty sure.
It's been a solid day. Shan's been setting the pace today and she's been doing a rockin' job.
Oh, thanks.
Good job.
That's so sweet. Yay! Okay, well, we're gonna have dinner consisting of potatoes, wraps, and hot sauce.
The best.
So, yeah, the best. Simply the best. Better than all the... Hey guys, it is the morning of day 14. 2 weeks on trail. How crazy is that? We woke up nice and early. The sun is just starting to rise. It is, what time is it? 6:30 already. We've had our breakfast, filtered our water, packed up shop, and now we're trying to navigate this river that has just totally wiped out the trail. It's kind of annoying, but it's fun. It's just like full of debris and rocks and everything, and we just kind of have to look out for cons along the way. You can see one just over there, thankfully. But yeah, it's it's not great. The trail used to be here, but it's all washed out. So yeah.
Take back what you wanted to say. You know it wouldn't anyway. Oh no. And I'll try to work my way back in to see those eyes. Blondie, don't you believe everything?
Camped at 4,800 feet. We're now at 7,000. So it's been a fair bit of climbing today. A little bit tired
Yeah.
from all the climbing, and we've got more climbing left to go. Let me have a quick look at my phone. And it says it's climbing all the way to 8,200, 8,235 feet.
So it is day 14, and Dave and I are feeling pretty exhausted. I think because of the whole losing the spoon incident, we've kind of eaten all of the super high calorie foods early on, and now we're left with just mashed potato and wraps and oats.
There's not that many wraps.
And I don't think we've been eating enough calories as we should be, and we're pretty exhausted, which is sad.
I'm so ready for town food.
I know.
I don't even care so much about town food. I want a resupply. That's what I want. I'm hungry.
Yeah. Okay.
I feel full now, but I still want more food. Hiker hunger's real.
Yay, now it's hailing. Whoop, whoop.
Looking upon your frame.
What are you doing?
I'm hugging a tree. We've done
27.3 miles.
27.3 miles. All in the name for breakfast tomorrow in Big Bear Lake.
Yeah, it was good.
We've got 6.8 miles to go in the morning, and boy, I'm so ready to be there. Hey guys,
Hello.
It is day
14. No, 15.
15. Yay.
Woo.
We gave ourselves 6.8
Miles.
miles until Big Bear. We've already done a couple. Feeling good, feeling that hunger. We're ready. We just came across a sign though,
Oh yeah.
and we don't quite understand what it is.
Nope.
Can you guys figure it out? What does this mean? Does this mean we should go off trail and stamp on plants? Dave said maybe we should clean our boots on the plants. Maybe it means no stopping on the plants. To Big Bear Lake. Yay! We're currently at Teddy's and we're getting some vegan breakfast. We just got a lift from the super vegan who was a PCT hiker last year. Thanks, guys!
And you recommended this place?
He recommended this place. So here we are. We're gonna eat heaps of breakfast, smash out all our chores afterwards.
Yeah,
So
and we got 2
excited.
nights at the hostel. So tonight and then tomorrow night, and then we'll be leaving first thing in the morning.
Yeah, fancy.
Nice.
God, look at this. Yes. Oh my god. Apple pie. The brownie. What is this?
Thank you. I want to steal some
Hold
of
on,
this.
hold on. Put your head next to it. It's so big.
Strong bad.
Strong Bad?
I'm a Homestar runner.
Homestar Runner Strong Bad is here. Who would have thought in Big Bear?
That's crazy.
That's super cool.
I'm gonna keep walking.
Can you tell we're in Big Bear? So many bears! Big Bear Lake at the Big Bear Hostel. It is super awesome. It's really affordable to stay here. It's super clean. Everything's really secure. They got really good like code locks on all of the doors and stuff. Bathrooms are wonderful. Lots of hot water. Sarge and his family who are running the joint are absolutely just angels. They took us to the store. They're going to take us back to the trailhead. Told us all of this great advice, things to do around Big Bear, and yeah, it's super cool. I would definitely stay here again. So this is the Teddy Bear restaurant. This is where you get your hiker trash special. I think they just put like everything they can fit onto a plate for under $6. They have really good service, really good food, and also order the hot fudge brownie because it's like this big and it is mind-blowingly good. Hey Dave, what you doing there?
I'm just fixing a little hole in my bag using some of the dental floss's thread.
Nice. So all of this here is what Dave and I are taking for the next 6 days. The most important part, crispy chips, lemon and barbecue. Dave's currently replacing a guy line on the tarp. We've been patching up some of the holes that we've gotten from rocks. And most importantly, watching the Terminator.
Mainstream at this point.
Hey guys, so we are at Amangela's, is it like a coffee place? I don't
Deli.
know. Deli? Whatever, it's amazing. We've got a half sandwich and soup combo. We've got some vegan chili here and a salad sandwich. This thing is giant. It's on garlic, basil, homemade focaccia bread.